about friendship.
Oscar is going on a trip to visit his friend. They live in a cold place. Oscar is thinking about what he will take on his trip. His friend Titus is helping him pack his things.
You need a hat to keep your head warm. Thank you, you are so nice. You need a coat. This coat is beautiful. Thank you. You also need a scarf to put around your neck. Thank you. Would you know what else I need? I need my friend. Would you like to come on my trip with me? You will have fun with my friend, and they will have fun with you too. Yes. So Titus and Oscar had a second date for Titus. Then the two friends lived together.